Okay, we got our head here. We've sanded it all down. We went back in and touched up some spots that needed to be touched up and resanded it. So now we're ready. We're going to put our base coat of paint on it. And we're going to use an acrylic white for our base. And we're going to paint the entire head, let it dry, and then go back and give it a second coat. So this stiff brush works good for these little indentions and stuff that you might have in here. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions, put it in my comment section and I'll get back with you. A little stiff brush works good for these, like the gaps between these small gaps that you have in here and gaps between the teeth. We'll go to the big brush for the bigger areas. So we're going to continue to get this painted and then we'll come on back with the next step. Thanks for watching.